Welcome to my channel Style with Crochet. Today I am going to tell you how to make crochet lotus flower. So let's start. First of all, make chain 12. And close the ring, making a slip stitch into the starting chain. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Make chain 6. Into the third chain, make a slip stitch. And now make double treble into the ring. Make one more double treble into the ring. And now make double crochet. 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one double crochet into the center. So I made 11, and now make 10 double crochet again into the ring. I made total 21 double crochet and 3 double treble, and now again make 3 double treble. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And into the top loop make a slip stitch. And now in next make slip stitch. In next slip stitch. In next slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, 9. I make 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 double treble and 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Skip 10 and into the center double crochet make a single crochet. Again make chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet. Make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the third chain make a slip stitch and again make double treble into the chain space. One more. I make 3 double treble and now make double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now after making 9 double crochet, make half double crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch, and into the center point make a single crochet. Other side make a slip stitch, then single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 9 double crochet.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes
2,
by
3,
creating an imaginary picture.
4,
Usually it's something that moves.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now 3 double treble. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the top loop make slip stitch. In next 4 chains make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well then, why?
And now make chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And into the center point make a single crochet. Chain 9 again. And now make chain 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into the third chain make a slip stitch. And now make 2 more double treble into the space. 1, and now double crochet into the space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet
It helps the speaker lead
and
his
1
audience
slip
into
stitch.
the scene he describes
And now into the center
by creating an imaginary
make
picture.
a single crochet.
Usually it's something that
In other side make slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 9 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And now 3 double treble.
Well then, why?
chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the upper loop, make a slip stitch. Cut the thread. So guys, now I will make a stem with green color. So guys, now I will make a stem with green color from back side. This is center point from this side. Attach green color. And make single crochet. And now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And on the other side also make a single crochet. Chain 1. Turn the pattern and now make double crochet into the chain space. One more double crochet, one more double crochet. I made 3 double crochet and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I made 11 chains. In each chain make single crochet. And again make 3 double crochet into the chain space. Cut the thread. My beautiful lotus flower is ready. I hope you will like this. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.